Yeah, kind of cool technology. So this girl can use that giant robot and it's moving around. It's kind of cool. Very cool. Let's go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. And now we're in some kind of I don't know what this is. Shopping mall. But I guess they built a whole shopping mall by this ancient city that's surrounded by Chongqing now. So we're just gonna walk through it and try to find the ancient city again. And then a lot of stores here everywhere. So we're gonna try to find the ancient city and walk through it again, and then probably head on the train. Okay. This is really amazing. There's a temple right there. I don't want to go to it because but it's so beautiful. It's hard to see from here. But yeah, I'm up in this shopping mall, and this is like kind of a nice shopping mall actually. It's all outdoors and kind of pretty. It's basically centered around this tourist site of the name that I have listed on here. But there's this beautiful temple too. Let's just kind of walk up and see if I can get a closer view of it. There it is. It's kind of hard to see, but it's like right there. And then I think I'm looking over the old city right here. Okay, kind of hard to see in the sunlight. Okay, there's the moon way up there. You can see that. I think you can see it. I can see it. Kind of cool mural over here. I think that might be an elevator right there. The elevator might be the way to go down. So we're gonna see if we can take that elevator down. It looks like we're overlooking the water over here too. So yeah, it's really pretty. Actually, maybe I might. Yeah, kind of cool technology. So this girl can use that giant robot and it's moving around. It's kind of cool. Very cool. So they got these robots here, and yeah, China's like really interesting place. Okay. So we're gonna head back down this way right here. You can overlook this one right here. You can overlook the water, the river, and in Chongqing, all the rivers kind of go everywhere through this whole area. So, and they're pretty cool, actually. Okay. Pretty cool looking section. It's all right. The lights are just starting to go up a little bit. So we're gonna check it out now. It's starting to cool off a little bit too. Pretty hot all day. China Post. It's really cool. China Post. Yeah, it's a pretty cool spot. This one is. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hello. Let's see. This is oh, there's a temple right there. Okay. Not as many crowds here. Little live music place. Live music. Some good live music places, and saw that in Suzhou too. Some artists. It's only 30 yuan. Amazing. Food making shop. All kinds of cool stuff. This is a much more relaxing street until we get up where that mess of people is at. Okay, it's a tarot, I think. Tarot of fortune telling. Get a little crowded in this spot. Oh wow. It's pretty cool in there. Music a lot. Let's take a look real quick. Music is beautiful. Oh, we got little shops. Country roads. Yeah, I was taking a look around. The music is beautiful. I thought live music. The music is really beautiful. It brought me in.